and they're coming back to Bedfordshire to live. They would, within probably minutes, have been killed.
Shackled up,
Murdered.
And they've been rescued. They are literally 4 very, very lucky girls. There they are.
What are you going to name them?
I don't know.
We'll do a sponsored naming thing
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
chicken save or something, or for whatever rescue.
You
they're doing.
girls are the luckiest
There's
girls.
a car coming.
I want to give them.
Back.
I'm going to try and get some pictures for the Suffolk page as well.
This is the best day. My heart's so warm right now. I'm so happy for everyone. I'm happy for the hens.
Let's go around to the front.
Can't believe this happened.
I'm going to just take some.
We've got 4 chickens. 4 hens that just would have been mercilessly killed, and now they're here.
Are they injured, these ones?
Well,
or?
yeah, they're in a terrible.
They're alright. Yeah.
This is the best thing. I can't even get to them because everyone's crowding.
Yeah, I just want to take a couple of pictures.
Sorry. I'm sorry. It's only because I'm short.
Come on, get in here.
I know. I'll go round.
On there in
I'll go round this way.
That's what I've been doing.
They'll be fine.
Hello, gorgeous. Hi, baby.
The one you took with the gas on it.
You are so cute.
No, I don't think so.
But you feel like
Oh,
so
they have
proud.
no idea how lucky they are, do they? You're so lucky. Oh, look at this one.
They're so cute. I'm going to take some photos.